lateral wall of nose. This is the sagittal section of head. This is the lateral. This hole is the lateral wall of nose. This is the nasal bone. This is the maxillary bone. See, this is the maxillary bone. So from inside, this will be the maxillary bone. This is the suture. This is the maxillary bone. This whole is the palatine bone, extending from this part to this part. This is the palatine bone. This is the perpendicular plate of palatine bone. This is the horizontal plate of palatine bone, and this is the part of sphenoid bone, that is the pterygoid process, the pterygoid plate of the sphenoid bone. This is the medial pterygoid plate of the sphenoid bone. So lateral wall of nose is formed by the nasal bone. It is formed by the maxillary bone. It is formed by the perpendicular plate of palatine bone, and this is the medial pterygoid plate. Now, this hole is the palatine bone. Palatine bone has got a palatine bone has a horizontal plate and a perpendicular plate. This is the perpendicular plate of palatine bone. This is the horizontal plate of palatine bone. This is the pyramidal process of the palatine bone. This is the orbital surface of the palatine bone. This is the sphenoidal process of the palatine bone. This notch is sphenopalatine notch. This notch, sphenopalatine notch, and here we'll have a groove for greater petrosal nerve, greater petrosal foramen. This is pyramidal process.
That's a भी बोल देते क्या?
No, ये in total ऐसा बताऊँ, दिख रहा अच्छा? हाँ. This hole is the lateral view, lateral side of the perpendicular plate of palatine bone. Now I'm turning it like this. This is the medial side of the palatine bone. Now if we can even say that this is the horizontal plate of palatine bone, this is the anterior border of the horizontal plate of palatine bone, this is the medial border of horizontal plate of palatine bone. Means one more palatine bone will come like this, perpendicular plate, and horizontal plate will come like this. It will be like this. Okay, both of them will join, and here will be the posterior nasal spine. This is the posterior border of the horizontal plate of the palatine bone. Okay.
पर इन दोनों जहाँ पे ज्वाइन करते हैं वहाँ पर नेजल सेप्टम लेता है शायद.
कौन दोनों? हाँ, ये
और ये साइड जो
हाँ राइट दोनों मिलके ज्वाइन कराने हैं वहाँ पे. देयर विल हैव अ नेजल सेप्टम वहाँ पे फॉर्म होता है. राइट, क्यों बोले तो वो परपेंडिकुलर प्लेट ऑफ एथेमॉइड बोन ऐसा आती, फिर वोमर ऐसा आते, दोनों मिलके मीडियल वॉल ऑफ नेजल. चलो, थैंक यू.